Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, Sobat Getris, now I will teach all of you how to modify image. Yeah, how to modify image that I see. Maybe not complete part. Yeah. Thank you for Mr. Prof. Chok. Yeah, okay, Prof. Chok. Okay, I see maybe not clearly about this image. Now we try to modify this. If we have opened this image, we can check first, yeah, maybe size, resolution, and others. Okay, that's great. Resolution 300 pixel per inch, yeah, standard resolution. First step, we must change this layer. Yeah, change this layer background to layer. If this layer name is background, we cannot edit this file. Yeah. Okay, the first we can double click this. Yeah, double click this and then push OK button. Now we try to modify this image. Okay, I use zoom tool to zoom in this area. Okay, now we try to modify this leaf. Yeah, make a complete leaf. Yeah, okay, we'll try to select it. If we want to detail, okay, we can zoom again. Okay, let's try. Okay, be careful. Yeah, be careful. Okay, I have idea. Okay, we start from here and check deeper. I think, yeah, deeper. Because next step we will use blur to combine this image. Yeah, okay, be careful. Deep, not here but here. Okay, next we can use blur tool to modify this selected area. Okay, see, click finish. Control min for zoom out. Okay, now I want to move. I use polygonal lasso tool to create selection, and I want to maybe copy this. Yeah, after here you can edit, then copy, and then we can create new layer and then paste the copy area. We okay, that's it. Hold space to scroll this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now we can use. Okay. If we disturb by your view, we can hide this layer and choose it. Okay. Now choose the blur tool. Okay, the brush it's too big. We can decrease. Okay, decrease. What? Maybe I choose here. Okay. Okay, 100 ya. Diameter 100. Okay, let's try to from here. Okay, we'll see the difference. Yeah, the difference of this modified layer. Okay, more, I think more hardness. Let's try. Okay, more hardness, yeah. Hardness again. Okay, let's try. Be careful, yeah. Okay. Sip. So the thing is great. If we want to okay, now we can adjust maybe brightness and contrast. Okay, you can modify, ya. You can modify by contrast, brightness and contrast. Here maybe it's it. Okay, to darkness, lightness. Okay, this. Okay, that's it, ya. Okay, now I want to prepare this. Yeah, okay, it's great, I think. Okay, sip. Okay, fix. Control min. Okay, sip. Next step, we can modify this, yeah. We can clear this and others part, yeah, and other parts. We can start from everywhere and okay, okay, but now I will try to save to JPEG. Modify to JPEG. Okay, save. Yes, it's great. Yeah. Okay, that's our lesson today. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. Thank you.
See you soon, Sobat Riz. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.